Trim pieces sit with minimal gaps. Finishes shine without flaw. And the overall presentation suggests thousands of hours of dedication on the part of skilled craftsmen who understand the importance of honoring legacy while elevating performance. Behind this restoration lies not just expertise but passion. Rotisserie builds rarely happen in haste. They are the products of enthusiasts who view classic cars as more than machines. They are rolling pieces of cultural history. They celebrate a time when American automotive design prioritized personality, character, and presence. Today's restomods marry that heritage with enhancements that make these vehicles relevant, enjoyable, and exhilarating to drive in a world where performance expectations have evolved. This 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible is more than the sum of its parts. It is a testament to engineering evolution, to the art of restoration, and to the emotional connection that classic cars create between driver and machine. It is a vehicle that sparks conversation, elicits admiration, and rewards exploration. Whether parked under shining lights at a car event or cruising down an open highway, with the wind rushing through the convertible top. In its restored form, this Cutlass plays two roles simultaneously. It harks back to an era of celebratory automotive exuberance, and it pushes forward into a future where classic cars can be both showpieces and everyday drivers. This is the essence of the Restomod philosophy, honoring history while embracing performance, comfort, and technological improvements that make the car thoroughly enjoyable in the present day. For the collector, the enthusiast, or anyone who appreciates automotive artistry, this 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible stands as a shining example of what is possible when preservation meets enhancement. It is a car that goes beyond mere nostalgia. It brings history to life with power, poise, and personality that continues to resonate across generations. 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Check out this stunning 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass SXW32 convertible. This Cutlass has undergone a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration with a very high attention to detail that is seen throughout. Finished in ebony black with a 440 style hood, this Cutlass features a convertible black soft top and 15 Superstock 2. Wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T. Tires. Under the hood sits a 455 CI Rocket V. 8 with Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a TH400. 3-speed automatic transmission and 12-bolt rear end with a Yukon Dura Grip Differential and 3.23-to-1 gears. Additional features include power brakes with front disc, power steering, new factory-style suspension, new gas tank, stainless steel exhaust, and Magna flow mufflers. Inside, this Cutlass is sporting all new ivory vinyl upholstery, new black carpeting, finished trunk, front bucket seating, and rear bench seating. Additional features include